Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen appliance that's been making waves in the culinary world, the Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven, model TOA-26. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what this product is. The Cuisinart TOA-26 is a versatile kitchen gadget that combines the functions of a toaster oven and an air fryer into one compact unit. This means you can toast your bread, bake a pizza, and even air fry your favorite foods, all with this single appliance. It boasts a sleek stainless steel design that not only looks good on your countertop but also fits neatly without taking up too much space. One of the standout features of this air fryer toaster oven is its 6 cooking functions. Whether you're looking to air fry, toast, convection bake, convection broil, make a pizza, or simply warm up leftovers, this appliance has you covered. The temperature range is impressive, allowing you to adjust settings from warm up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to cook a variety of dishes to perfection. The capacity of the Cuisinart TOA-26 is another highlight. It's compact yet spacious enough to handle up to 2.5 pounds of food, making it ideal for small families or individuals. You can easily fit an 8-inch pizza in there, which is perfect for a cozy night in or when you have guests over. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to operate. The temperature dial is straightforward, allowing for precise adjustments, and the toast shade selector gives you control over how dark or light you want your toast. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for those who might not feel completely confident in the kitchen. Who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves cooking but is short on space, this air fryer toaster oven is a dream come true. It's perfect for college students, small families, or anyone living in an apartment. Even if you have a larger kitchen, this appliance can streamline your cooking process and free up some valuable counter space. Let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day at work and wanting to whip up a quick dinner. With the Cuisinart TOA-26, you can air fry some chicken wings to crispy perfection in just a matter of minutes. Or perhaps you're in the mood for a pizza night, you can bake a delicious 8-inch pizza right in this compact oven. And let's not forget breakfast, toast your bagels or English muffins while you prepare a side of crispy bacon in the air fryer. The possibilities are endless. The Cuisinart TOA-26 also comes with essential accessories, including an oven rack, baking pan, and air fry basket, which are all designed to enhance your cooking experience. Plus, the limited 3-year warranty adds peace of mind, ensuring that you have support should any issues arise. In conclusion, the Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven TOA-26 is a versatile, easy-to-use kitchen appliance that brings a lot of value, especially if you're looking for efficiency without sacrificing space. From air frying to baking, this appliance is ready to help you create delicious meals with minimal fuss. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.